Alright, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about Tesla and its latest promotions and see if it's worth it or if it's the right time for you to buy a Tesla. So as you can see right now on the Tesla's website, they're promoting heavily on full self-driving, right? And if you're following the channel or you're following the news, Tesla no longer allows you to make a full purchase of their FSD. And so we can only subscribe monthly, $99 a month, right? So as you can see right with the promotion, Model Y 0% APR, right? And then let's see if we're gonna try to order one and see. Let's do a Model 3. See if there's any kind. Okay, 0 APR. This is Model Y. Okay, so we'll stick to Model Y. Price-wise, if you were to finance the cheapest one, the rear-wheel drive $529 a month, all-wheel drive $557, premium rear-wheel drive $617, and then premium all-wheel drive $674. And then if you go with the performance, it's $899. And here it gives you a breakdown of 0 APR, $3,300 down, 72 months. That'll give you, you can check it out and you can see exactly what you're expecting. You can see right here, $529, 72 months, 0% APR. Again, this is assuming you have excellent credit, right? And if you have a vehicle to trade in, you can click over here, and then they'll give you a trade-in estimate. So hopefully whatever you put on there is true, so that way your estimated value will be not too much difference when you get there. Recently, I noticed that Tesla have been bumping up the trade-in value. Not just Tesla, any other companies out there that want to buy your vehicle. I noticed Carvana also made my 2023 Tesla a little bit higher too. I think like about $3,000 more. The one that gave me the most offer is Plug EV, I believe. They offered me like $29,000 for my Tesla. And not too long ago, Tesla itself offered me $24,000 for my 2023 Tesla. So Tesla, if you're going to trade in, Tesla website is not the best to trade in your vehicle, right? Let's see if we were to go with the Tesla Model 3, because I think the 3, they lower the leasing price $50, so it goes back to $299 a month, which is awesome. Where is it? Model 3. Alright, here we go. And also the Model 3 right now, it says 1 year free supercharging. So this is if you travel a lot, work far, and if you need to supercharge 1 year, not bad. When I got mine, I got 2 years or 10,000 miles, right? So if you were to lease it, right, it dropped down to $299, and this is the different prices for different version of the Tesla that you want to buy, right? Or lease, in this case. If you were to finance the performance, $761, and it gives you a breakdown right here as well too. And full self driving, like I said, they're heavily promoting this one right here. So with the latest conference call, Elon said that they're gonna build a factory or shop or center, whatever that, to completely help upgrade the hardware 3 to hardware 4. However, even with the upgrade, it won't be able to do the unsupervised version. So I don't know, we'll see with that one. Okay, so now we're done with all the new cars. We're gonna go to the used car and see if there's any things going on with it. All right, so here I just randomly picked the two, like this one right here. It's a Model Y, 261. You can get it for $25,900, right? 4.2 second, and here I give you all the color, the wheel, Gemini, black and white, premium interior, 5 seats, traffic aware cruise controls, pretty much like used. The old term was autopilot. Oh, this one got acceleration boost, so which is pretty good. That's like $2,000 right there. And then Tesla also provides you with 1 full month of full self driving. Most likely, if you try it, you're gonna like it, and then you're gonna get hooked on it. But here you go down, you can see, and the good thing about buying it for Tesla, they give you 1 year or 10,000 miles warranty on it. And this vehicle itself the battery and the drive unit is warranty until 2029. So you still got about what 3 years, 3 years left. Not bad. And here the condition of the vehicles. If there's any damage report, you can click on here. You can also check on the auto check history too as well too. So here we'll see more pictures of it. Maybe the lighting is off or something, but it looks kind of like, I don't know, the color is kind of off, right? Dual motors here, inside interior. Some of the used car here, you can actually, when you see the word demo somewhere on the vehicle, that means you can actually go test drive it. So this vehicle is, you can pick it up, and it's currently, it's Upland Transport Montebello here. So where is this vehicle at? Is it in Norwalk? I think it's in Norwalk right now, but you can have it delivered to any of this location, right? And then if you want to continue, just click here and just move forward. When I first bought my Tesla, I was very hesitant regarding about charging. But if we're going to go down here, you're actually going to see that's not going to be an issue, because where is supercharger? Supercharger is all over the place. Where is the map? I thought there was a supercharger. Vehicle, energy, charging. I thought there was somewhere a map. Oh. It didn't show it now, but superchargers now pretty much is like almost everywhere. Like I live in, where I live, maybe 5 minutes or within 5 minutes there's one supercharger, and then like maybe I would say 8 minutes there's like 2 more supercharger. So it's pretty much almost everywhere. So if you're worried about, okay, where am I going to charge my car, yeah, that one you don't have to worry. And if you have solar system on your house, like myself, you can install like a level 2 charger, and you pretty much don't have to pay any gas, electricity. I have it charged at nighttime with Edison. I set it like after 9 o'clock, but I usually set it like 9:15 just to be safe. And it takes about 4 to 5 hours, and it's fully charged up. So yeah, but if you're looking for a vehicle, you can check out Tesla website and take advantage of their promotions. And if you use my referral code, you'll probably get another 3 months of personal driving. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.